What is digital marketing and why in the world is it so important to your business? We're talking about that in this video. All right, when we're talking about what something is, like what is it, but what is it? I like to always start with the definition so we can get a base understanding of what we're even talking about. So, Wikipedia defines digital marketing as the following. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online-based digital technologies, such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. So in plain English, it's just simply using the internet to market your business. And now if we're talking about using the internet to grow your business, there are so many different opportunities, like using digital marketing, internet marketing, online marketing, just as a whole, and you say, hey, I want to apply that, I want to do internet marketing, you're stepping into what's essentially an ocean, because there is so much. It's a whole ecosystem, an environment. There's good, there's bad, there's ugly, there's predators, there's prey. There are right things to do, there's wrong things to do, and quite frankly, you can get lost. Now, what I personally help people do is help with client acquisition using the internet. So building out the systems and driving the people to the systems that help produce those new leads and new sales consistently, particularly with the use of paid advertising. Now, if you go and you tell me, look, I don't have money for advertising. It's just not in the budget. It's just not. I'm starting this business from nothing. I have nothing. I'm bootstrapping. I get that, but you need to understand this. There's only two ways that you're going to acquire your customers' attention. Number one, you're either going to pay for it, pay advertising platforms, pay a Google, pay a Facebook, for example, or you earn that with your blood, your sweat, your tears, and most importantly, your time. So, what you're seeing right now, this YouTube video I'm making right now, is an example of an organic strategy. I'm not using this for a paid ad. And this takes time to make. It takes time to shoot, to edit, to publish, to actually get it out there. And it's a lot of work, requires consistency. That's part of why this is day 2 of my challenge to post one new video each day for an entire year, just to see what happens. This is a case study, so you can see what will happen at the end of this year. Now, there's so many different strategies to go with. If you just came at me and said, hey, how do I get more customers online? It all depends. If you can afford to do paid advertising and you're not already, you got to start doing that. Because here's why. You can get results a lot quicker, and you can start creating a lot more consistency with the amount of leads or online sales that you're making once you get everything dialed in and the systems properly set up. Now, if you want my personal help where I can go look at your business and help you acquire more customers online, there's a little consulting program that we offer, and I'm going to link to that below so you can go check that out. But this is digital marketing, using the asset that is the internet. Because if we learned anything from this past pandemic, it's that if your business isn't online, and it's probably dying. You have to have an online aspect to your business, and it has to be enjoyable for your customer, and it has to be simple. We can't overcomplicate things. The good news, if you want to have success marketing your small business with digital marketing, is it's possible. Companies do it all the time. It doesn't matter how small you are, it doesn't matter how big you are. You can start having success. It could be as simple as you going and starting a TikTok account and it going viral. Could be as simple as you committing to writing a couple blogs each week. You got to start. And that's why the publishing aspect is so important with this. And that's why I encourage you, if you're scared about publishing, you don't understand what that is, of actually making content and putting it online, go and follow this journey that I'm on. Subscribe to this channel and see each day me upload a new video that's valuable to you that will end up growing my business in a certain way. Like I said, I don't know how big this channel will be at the end of that. I don't know where my business will be at the end of this year. But we're testing this theory. They're testing the idea that if you publish one new video a day, something good will happen. So we're going to see. So that's what digital marketing is. It's using the internet to market your product or service, to get your customers' attention, push them to whatever you're selling, and getting them to convert so you can have more money in your bank account, pay your employees, feed your family, and live the life that you're called to live. Because that's what I'm here to help you do. Live the life that you are called to live for the kingdom. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, if you're wanting to get started with digital marketing and acquiring more customers online, I've got a free resource right now that is perfect for you. It's a little course I created called The Fundamentals of Online Marketing. And in that course, you're going to learn the basic system that you need to start generating new leads and new sales online. So if you're interested in that, it's absolutely free. Just go click the link down below. It's thefundamentalsofonlinemarketing.com/free course. Go check it out. You get lifetime access to it right now. So go get it. It's free. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.